drive roller has a almost crepe-like surface, but it's also very hard. It's not got a similar effect on the side. The side's very smooth, so I think it is supposed to be a crepe surface. It's just the surface is not good. I'm going to try some roller restorer on it and see if that has any effect. This is excellent stuff for things such as printer pickup rollers. If the printer's not picking up paper all the time, giving the rollers a clean with this stuff seems to work very, very well. But I think it's mainly a cleaner for removing deposits rather than actually anything that restores the elasticity. But I could be wrong. It smells vaguely like some industrial degreasers. I think I may need a new roller. A drive wheel, or whichever you want to call it. But I'll leave that soaking for a minute or two, just in case. My initial attempt to restore the idler wheel or idler roller for this Recordon machine using not generic rubber restorer had no effect whatsoever. I think that particular type is purely a cleaner for removing residues, and that's not the problem with this. It's simply gone hard over time. A bit of research online, and other than either just replacing it or having one specially made, which is rather expensive, is to sand off the edge slightly and try the rubber restorer again once it's down to a clean rather than glazed finish. I've tried putting this directly in the drill chuck, but it's just too short and too stepped to grip. So I need to put a screw through it. An M5 is just too fat to fit. So what I'm going to do is file it down a bit and then try again. Should really measure it, I suppose. I think it possibly needs to be a bit more aggressive than that. I've taken about 20 microns off it. It's about 4.75. 4.8. Okay, after that interruption, I've carried on filing and measuring the screw until it now fits through the idler. I was going to put a shake-proof washer either side to help grip, but on the second thoughts, the screw itself, the screw head, has a good stabilising effect on the screw angle. These might twist it a bit, so I'm just going to put a nut on. And if I run it backwards in the drill, going to be tightening if it tries to slip. I might have to tighten it a bit by hand first. Narrow jaws. Okay, that looks good. That's running true. So the next stage, find something to support the drill. Steady it. I've got some very fine abrasive, 1000 grade. That's what's recommended online. I just need something to wrap it round. I'll use a larger file. Right, give a suitably flat surface. From there, control the angle. Strange smell of burning rubber. As you can see, it's certainly removing rubber from the surface. It's not got fully through the glaze yet though. Those can loose. If the sharp stop from the drill has kicked it around a bit. A fresh surface on that. That's starting to feel much better. I think the glaze is going, you can see a slight difference. Okay, I think I'll try the rejuvenator again at that.